how to add friends on Animal Crossing. So if you want to add friends on your Animal Crossing, then what you need to do is follow these steps. First, there are two ways you can play with friends on your island or theirs in New Horizons. First is meet up with a friend in real time to play offline locally, or use either a temporary dodo code or their friend code to play online. While the first method can be done without an internet connection, you'll need to connect to Wi-Fi to play with your friends via codes. This will require a Nintendo Switch online membership. So if you want to go with offline play, you can play with your friends offline. Is relatively simple in Animal Crossing New Horizons. To do this, you need to head over to the airport on your island and speak with Orville behind the counter. Then choose either I want to fly or I want visitors. If you want to invite a friend to your island, select the second directive to visit another player's island locally. Choose the first route. Or if you want to go with the online play, if you can't meet up with a friend in real time to play locally, then you can invite friends to your New Origins island via single-use dodo code or friend code. To do this, you'll both need a paid subscription to Nintendo Switch Online. With a temporary dodo code, you need to follow all of these steps in order to play with your friend. Or if you want to go with a friend code, then you need to find your friends list under your personal player profile on your Nintendo Switch system. And then you need to go with your friends list and click on Add Friend. Enter that 12-digit friend code and send a friend request. Once accepted, launch Animal Crossing, go to the airport on your island and speak with Orville. Choose the I want visitors from and then select via online pay to clarify. Select all my friends when Orville asks who you want to invite. The airport's gate will remain open to anyone on your friends list until you ask Orville to close the gate. In this way, you'll be able to add friends on Animal Crossing. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.